Hello, and welcome back to Thesaurus Thrive. With the holiday season upon us, today's word is perfect for the occasion, festive. Let's explore its meaning, definition, and some wonderful synonyms to brighten up your vocabulary. So, what does festive mean in English? Simply put, festive describes something related to or suitable for a celebration or holiday. It brings to mind joy, merriment, and the spirit of festivity. Festive is defined as having the atmosphere, decorations, or mood suitable for a festival or holiday. It often implies a sense of joy and celebration. Now, let's look at some synonyms. Words like a merry, jovial, cheerful, and a celebratory all capture the essence of festive. Each synonym adds a slightly different shade of meaning, perfect for various contexts. For instance, you might describe a party as a merry, highlighting its fun and lively nature. Jovial emphasizes the good-humored and cheerful aspect, while a celebratory focuses on the act of celebrating something special. That wraps up our festive exploration. I hope you found this video enlightening and are ready to add a bit of festivity to your language. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Thesaurus Thrive for more enriching content.